Hey, it's Chris Mara in Mara Machines again, and I've done tons of videos about vintage equipment lately, and I want to talk about some test equipment. This is a standard digital multimeter, kind of a fluke knockoff, and you can just select resistance, DC voltage, AC voltage, DC amps, AC amps, all that kind of stuff. Pretty fancy, modern technology. It's kind of fun. I've got a vintage tube multimeter. So this, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'll show you. These tubes have little wires in them, and each wire is a different number. And then it moves, it changes. So I've talked about this Variac before in passing. So what this is a AC, this gets plugged into a power strip or a wall, and then the output is variable. So you can use it to kind of slowly bring a piece of gear up to life. We do that when we're testing power supplies and all that kind of stuff. So you don't just blow something up. You can watch it smoke slowly first. It's a better burn. Anyway, I've got my multimeter hooked up so you can see these tubes change. So I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to change the voltage. And we should start seeing voltage increase. See, 20 volts. Isn't that cool? These leads don't fit because they've got those sleeves on them. So you have these handy dandy adapters in classic Green Bay Packers colors. So as I'm increasing the voltage, you can start to see those tubes kind of do their thing. Isn't that cool? So we're going to crank her up to 120. Isn't that cool? And there's a plus and minus. If I were to reverse the leads, there's a plus and minus. Okay, so 120 means I'm over 100. So I'm going to switch my range to 1000, and I can keep going. So isn't that cool? So you have to add a 1 to that. So it's 1. Yeah, it's a little weird. Anyway, I can change my, boom. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? And what's even cooler is I just bought a watch that has 2 Nixie tubes on it. I don't have it yet, but when I do, I'll do a video.